Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? I hope you all are fine. You are healthy, strong, active. You know very well, I am your English teacher, Mrs. Usha. How are you all? Fine. Yes, welcome back to Gurukula Public School online class and heartily welcome to 4th standard. Today I am going to explain one of the grammar, nouns. Do you know nouns? Yes, you have already studied last year about nouns. What is a noun? Gaurav, can you tell? What's a noun? Yes, noun is a naming word. What's that naming word? Please explain. A noun is a word we use to name a person, an animal, place or things. Can you give example for each? Lahari, can you give example? Yes, for person, can you give example? Yes, Ramesh is correct. Next, Abdul is correct. Next, Johnson is correct. Very good. Can you give example for any animal's name? Dog is cat. Elephant is correct. Next, place name. Okay. School. Yes, very good. Correct. Next, Kundapura. Yes, correct. Things name. Can you tell? Things. Okay, correct. Pen. A chalk. Very good. Very good. Correct. Now, I am going to teach about common noun and proper noun. Listen here. Have you heard common noun? Yes, last year you have studied. What's that common noun? A general name of a person, an animal, place or things. What's a proper noun? Please tell. Who knows proper noun? Ishna, do you know? Yes. What's that proper noun? A special name of a person, an animal, place or things. What is the general name? We already told about common noun, general name of person, animal, place or things. General name means what is there? We can call some names common to all. That generally we can tell. For example, here is a boy. All boys we can tell boy only, no girl or chalk. That's a boy. It's a common name. Next, here is a girl. Girl. That name we can use generally to all girls. That's common noun. Girl. Like that. Animal. All animals. For example, dog, cat, elephant. These are animals. So we can use animal. This animal, this noun, this word, common noun. Proper noun, what's the special name? We got some names. Our parents have given us some name, special name. Here is a girl. She's a girl. Her name is Manaswini. That Manaswini, that special name, that is proper noun. Have you understood? Yes. Please write some things, some examples yourself. Common and proper noun. Please write yourself. Any doubts? Shall I go next topic? Yes. Now listen. Another topic. Countable and uncountable nouns. This topic, this name, countable and uncountable nouns. What's that countable noun? Some nouns we can count. Those nouns are called countable nouns. Can you give example for countable nouns? Please tell. Bag, correct. Bag we can count. Next, book, very good, we can count. What's the uncountable nouns? We can't count some nouns. Those nouns are called uncountable nouns. What's the example? Milk. That's a liquid thing. Next example, water. We can't count. Stars. We can't count. These are uncountable nouns. Listen here. Countable nouns, there are singular form and plural forms. Singular form means one thing, plural form means more than one thing. And one more point, countable nouns, before countable nouns we can use a or an. Example, a student, an umbrella, a boy, a girl, an import. These are countable nouns we can count. Next, uncountable counts. For uncountable nouns, only one form. Uncountable nouns have only one form. For example, rice, milk, honey, like these things. A milk, that is wrong. A honey, that is wrong. We should not use before uncountable noun a or an. Have you understood? Yes. Next, you can write or collect some countable and uncountable nouns. Then, any doubts here? Please remind now what we have studied now. Yes, we have studied about nouns. Noun is a naming word. We can use to name a person, an animal, place or things. Next, what we have studied is common noun, proper noun. Next, what's the common noun? Please recall please. A general name of a person, an animal, place or things. What's a proper noun? A special name we have given to person, animal, place or things. Next we have studied about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns means we can count some nouns. Uncountable means we can't count some nouns. Those nouns are called uncountable nouns. Have you understood? Yes. Now I will go another topic, that is collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun. Have you heard? Prasanna, have you heard? Collective noun. Yes, what is that? Please tell. A collective noun. The name we can name some nouns in a group. Group. Any example? Who knows example? Yes, see there outside many trees are there. See so many trees are there. Thickly grown. This all together trees, what we can tell? Many trees are there, see, grown together in group. That is forest. Forest. See there, many people group. Many people's group is there. So many people are there in one place. So what we will tell? Group, what we will tell? That is crowd. Crowd of people. See many dogs quarreling each other outside. Group of dogs. What we will tell? Packs of dogs. Packs. So these all collective noun. Do you know? Grapes. Have you seen? Yes. You have seen. See this group of grapes. What we will tell? Bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. So like that keys. Bunch of keys. So these all things collective noun. Can you name some examples for collective noun? Yes, please. You can write some collective nouns in a book. Yes. Okay children. Take care. Thank you. We can meet next class.